So Victoria's putting her photo flow into the film, and the photo flow takes away the stains of residue chemistry. It really takes away, it's like a highly concentrated soap. And so it's a 30-second procedure. You can't put too much photo flow, and it doesn't have to be there for so long. And then you have to give it a quick rinse, just like that. Okay, you count 30 seconds. You keep the water running. Keep the water running.
Yeah, but it's
20 is good. Yeah. So now you can dump it.
Dump the photo flow.
Yeah, and give it a quick rinse. Okay, now you rinse it. It's okay. Just, you kind of got to do this fast.
It's a bit too hot.
No, it's okay.
Rinse it again.
And once it's full, you just dump it all out. And that's it. And you pull your spindles out now. So let's shut off the water. Pull your spindles out. And look at them, inspect them. See, Linda, she didn't put them on so tight, so they're all buckled and stuff. And we had a hard time with the temperature, so I had to increase the time by 50%, and the contrast is good. Because instead of doing it at 20 degrees Celsius, she processed it at 13 degrees. So I increased the time of development by 50%. Watch out, it don't touch nothing.
Should I rinse it?
No. And I'll let you hang it. There you go. So, you know, it wasn't properly spooled on, but there was no badness with the chemistry. Everything reacted properly. The densities are good, so we managed to save the films.
Whoa. Here.
Now remember the little trick I showed you where you buckle the top when you do there so it doesn't slide when you put these things on the bottom?
Ah, yeah.
Because the film might fall, it's slippery, so you have to buckle the top. Fold the top.
Ah, yeah, okay. I remember now.
If not, it might fall. Make sure your film doesn't touch anything or scratch. Okay.